Trust Wallet app Logout on PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log out of Trust Wallet app on PC. Now let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Now here, if you look through the application, you will not see the option for logging out of Trust Wallet anywhere. However, there is an alternative. Tap on the settings button on the top left of your screen. Here you will see the option for wallets. Tap on that and now you will see three dots beside the main wallet option. Tap on that. On the top right of your screen, you will see the trash can icon or the delete button. Tap on that. In the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on delete. You will now be asked if you want to back up your secret phrase or proceed anyway, so select whichever option that suits you the best. You will then be asked to enter your secret phrase or your touch ID. So go ahead and enter that, and with this you will be led to the login page of Trust Wallet, and this is the only way you can log out of Trust Wallet on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.